How to use the snipping tool in Windows 11. So you can use this tool to go and take screenshots and also screen record your laptop as well. Now the first thing you need to do is go and open up your start menu. You can then search for snipping tool and go and open up the app. Now you can also open this by pressing the shortcut keys on your keyboard, the Windows key, the Shift key, and also the letter S as well. Now once you have the app open, click on these three horizontal dots and click on Settings. Now first thing you want to do is come down to where it says Screenshots are saved to, and you can see that this is the default location where all of your screenshots are going to be saved. Now you can go and customize this to a different folder just by clicking the change button, and you can select a new location where you want to automatically save your screenshots. Now you can also scroll down the page and do the same for screen recording as well. So you can see at the moment here is the default location for all of our screen recordings, but you can go and change that by clicking the change button and selecting a new folder on your PC. You can then come back over to the previous window, and you have two different options. You can either take a screenshot, which is essentially an image, or you can select the video tab, and here you can go and start screen recordings on your computer. So for now, I'm going to press the camera icon for a screenshot and then click on New. Now you can go and manually select the area that you want to take a screenshot of. Alternatively, you can click on the snipping area and you can go and select the area you want to take a screenshot of. So for example, I can screenshot a specific window, or I can just do my entire screen by selecting full screen. Now once the screenshot has been taken like this will automatically be saved to that screenshot folder. Now you can make any edits to this photo as well, and you can use these editing tools at the top of the page. Now if you do make any changes to this, so say for example I go and crop this image, you will need to resave the image by clicking the save button, and you can go and save that edited screenshot. Now you also have the video tab as well, so if I go and click this video icon, this is where we can go and create screen recordings. So go and click on the plus icon once again, that's going to start a new recording. Now just like before, you can go and manually select an area on the screen to record, or you can click on the drop down arrow and you can select a specific window instead. Now I'm just going to manually select the entire screen like this. You can click on the microphone icon, and if you have a microphone attached to your computer, you can go and record your microphone audio as well. Now once you're ready, just go and click on the start recording button, and as you can see, this will now begin recording your screen. Once you've finished, just press stop recording, and just like before, this will automatically be saved over to the screen recordings folder. So that's how to use the snipping tool in Windows 11.